Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always. And here we are at the famous Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. So right over to the right is Applebee's, and then here is the big Fisherman's Wharf sign to let you know you are here. But we will work our way down. Fisherman's Wharf is a bunch of seafood places that you can catch a bite to eat. So I hope you guys enjoy this video here. So we'll kind of walk by some of these places. We got crab station over here. Might have to check that out. Crab does sound good. That was on my list of stuff. Sabella's and La Torres, Nick's Lighthouse. What else do we have here? El Toro's Waterside Cafe, Seagulls Galore. Smells delicious. There's nothing like fresh seafood smell. The Chowda Hut Fresh Grill looks absolutely good. Number 9, Fisherman's Grotto, up over on the left here. Yeah, fish and chips for $11.99. That's not too bad. One thing that I noticed about the Fisherman's Wharf is all the prices are pretty decent here, considering it's San Francisco. Got some live entertainment up over on the left here. Got some bay cruises and ferry terminal up over on the left-hand side. Boudin sourdough. Don't know if I pronounced that right. If I didn't, make sure you correct me. Got a bunch of little places here. Good parking in here. So if you're driving, they have a little place to park. I mean, you will have to pay for it. It is San Francisco. Kid yourself, but I do have some parking spots. There is Ripley's, believe it or not, right over there. And we will check out the Franciscan Crab Restaurant straight ahead of us here. I have views on views up towards the top, views of Alcatraz Island and the rest of the bay, which is really nice about Fisherman's Wharf down here, is they got great views all over the bay. You can see the Bay Bridge, the Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz, everything from here. Frankie's here, fish sandwiches. Nice little Pontiac lowrider here.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like straight ahead. Kind of like where we came in.
Here, helicopter out city. Straight ahead of us. I think you guys can see it on camera though. Take you guys over here, check out some of the views. So welcome to the bay, guys. There's bird shit everywhere, so don't put your hands down, but just forewarning you. There's Alcatraz straight out ahead of you. And over that way is the Golden Gate Bridge. But I'll get some cool time lapses and some cool slow motion shots of this for you guys. I think you guys would all really enjoy that here, so we'll definitely do that for you guys. street performers. Nowhere near as many as Las Vegas, but
lovely, now don't you ever change. Keep that wetness on.
ahead of us here is Pier 39, but we will save Pier 39 in and of itself for another video here. So there'll be more to come. Kind of work our way around here into the circle. Go the up north here, I guess we would say, or south, I guess. That was nice, we got across. Check out some of the places over here. So Pier 39 is up over on the left, but like I said, we'll do its own separate video for Pier 39 because there's a bunch of stuff to see with that. So Museum of Illusions, 3D Illusions is up over on the left-hand side. There's a lot of different little shops, lids, fire and brew place to eat and drink, all sorts of stuff is up over here. So there is McDonald's, Applebee's, In and Out. We passed that a little bit earlier, but like I said, if you guys are down here, you should be getting fish or some seafood of some sort. I'm not telling you what to eat, but usually if you're down here at the Fisherman's Wharf, that's what you're down here for. But I hope you guys enjoyed the views of the city, enjoyed some of the walking tours that we did here in San Francisco. Save your feet, let me do some of that walking for you. If you guys have ideas of places you want to see filmed, be sure to comment that in the comment section below. We'll do another poll to see what city is next on the list. You guys voted heavily for New York, so that will be possibly a city here to come. So let me know what cities you guys want to see filmed. We'll do some walking tours for you guys, so that way you guys can see what every city has kind of in store. But we'll work our way back up this way, but I think that's where we will leave off with today's video. If you guys did like the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you guys want to support the channel, please do so by considering being a Patreon member. You get exclusives to up-to-date trip announcements and things like that, discounts on the merchandise store, which I promise I will be revamping soon. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the content here. But from Fisherman's Wharf, my name is Ryan. Until next time.